Wow, are you a startup information marketer or affiliate marketer or network marketer, and you want affordable means to create your landing page without spending a dime on domain name and hosting plan? There is good news. The good news is that you can now set up a stunning landing page for your affiliate marketing offer using card.co to create professional looking landing page like the one that I'll be showing you in the next seconds. Let's quickly see it. Here are the stunning landing page and professional looking landing page that can be created or designed using card.co free of charge as long as you want. No paying for domain name, no paying for hosting, and you will have a presentable, stunning, professionally looking landing page like the one you are seeing. Look at it. If I scroll down, you see how it looks like. This is a sample of landing page created for an affiliate marketer on Nigeria #1 affiliate marketing platform. As you can see, this is stunning, this is professional, and this is presentable and good as a landing page to make more sales for your affiliate product. And the same thing is applicable and can be duplicated either you are a content creator as a digital product creator, that is information marketer, or you are network marketer promoting network product for KD, Oriflame, Greenwood, Alliance in Motion. Just mention all the affiliate marketing platform that has product that you want to promote their physical product. You can use the same card.co to create a landing page that will convert to sales for you. This is one of the example of such, and here is another sample of landing page created using the same platform. This is a cloud platform, cloud landing page creator. Can you see now? This is another sample of landing page created using card.co, and you can duplicate this anytime, anywhere, for any product, any offer, either digital or physical product, as you can see. Okay, so you can see that very beautiful looking and very professionally looking. Okay, so this is one of the example again, so you can see it, and here is another example, as you can see here. So all these are designed or created using card.co, and the question now is, how can you learn this so that it will save you spending on domain name and hosting, especially when you are low in budget to buy domain name and hosting as a newbie or a startup, information marketer, affiliate marketer, or network marketer, that you have no budget to buy domain name and hosting. Then this is a solution that you can rely on, that you can bag on, and that you can always come up, and it's forever free for you. So these are the few samples of landing page created using card.co. Now the question is, how can you acquire or learn or know creating a stunning landing page like this? There's a special offer I have for you. And what is this special offer? The special offer is introducing Newbie shortcut to how to create stunning landing page in 48 hours without spending a dime buying domain name and hosting plan. Yes, you hear me, and you can see what we have done in the short moment a moment ago. So if you are interested in learning how to do this, to create that kind of stunning landing page, I have a special offer for you that will last for the next 48 hours. And then you want to know more, you can click on the link you are seeing on the screen to get to me to know more about it. Though the offer is at pre-order now at a price of 2,000 naira. So when you contact me, you will see more information about what you will learn and what you will benefit from this training. Tag Newbie shortcut to how to create stunning landing page in 48 hours without spending a dime buying domain name and hosting. Once again, click on the link below to connect with me then for more detail on this offer. See you at the other side. Bye.